Everyone, I bring you the complex Asher Michael. Asher,
Ashy.
Ashy boy. Look at his pink toe beans. They're actually mauve, aren't they? Or mauve, as some people pronounce it. He can be so nervous and turn into just a nervous wreck when I'm not calling you a wreck, Ashy. No, I'm not. When he is like just out and about. But when he is in somebody's lap, he becomes the biggest huggy bear, show everyone my stomach boy in the world. You are such a lovely kitty, Asher.
You
Yes,
bet
you
you
are.
are.
He's a good boy. A good blinky boy, aren't you? Yes.